Hello and welcome. In this video I will demonstrate you how to upload a video content in the YouTube channel and possibly edit the video from the channel itself or the tool called YouTube Studio. So you have to log in to the YouTube account, so which you created using your Gmail account. So this will be the interface you will come up with. So this basically is the name and the logo that is given to my channel. So now you can see here your videos, right? So all the uploaded videos will be in this interface. So you can see that there is already one video that has been uploaded. Now you can see here, create a video or post a video. So here you have to click. So you can see two options. One is upload a video or you can go live. So YouTube is giving a streaming kind of a service where you can do a interactive live lecture, but currently we are trying to see how you can upload a video, right? So you just click here. So it will ask for the video file. So select files. Now you can choose the file that you have already recorded. So I will just upload this file. So it will just show you the details to be entered. So I am just giving a sufficient description for the video so that people can search it and find it out later. So after giving a title and the description of the video, you can say next. Now Google asks whether it is a video made for kids or something like that. So this is an educational video, not for exclusively for kids. So I say it's not made for kids. So next, there are some options. Maybe for the sake of time, so here you can give either public or you can give an unlisted option or private. So basically I will suggest you give it as public if you are confident, or you should choose unlisted so that you can take the link and you can share it with your students, right? And don't make it private. Maybe if it is shared as a private, they will ask for permission to access the video. So you will get an email to your Gmail account. So somebody is asking permission to open your video. So you can either use public or an unlisted. So here I am just using public, and now you can publish the video. So you can see that it will be processing. It's very important that most of your video content must maybe 10 to 15, maximum 15 minutes you have to restrict. because it will take a lot of time to upload it. And most importantly, most of the topics that you discuss, it's a good idea to restrict it to 10 to 15 minutes to explain a single idea. So students will get maybe bored, or they will lose concentration if you go in a lengthy manner. So it is finished now. Now you can say close. So you can see that the video is being uploaded here. Now you can see that there is an option called get a shareable link. So to share it with your LMS, you can just copy that, and now if you click here, you will be directly going to the studio option, right? YouTube Studio. You can see here an option called editor, right? So now I will just demonstrate how you can edit it. So now your video has been loaded here. You can start playing here. So it will be played. So hello and welcome in this video. So little bit frames are there. Maybe if you want, you can edit it. So you can use a trim option here. So this is a trim option, and now you can just adjust the frames little bit. I am just dragging to the right side so that it will start from there, and I just wanted to see the final portion of the video. Lecture video. Thank you. So this, after thank you, you can maybe edit a little bit here. So now you see maybe you have to put the marker here and just software in your system. It's available there. So these are the things required to record a lecture. So in the next video I will demonstrate how you can use these tools to make a good lecture video. Thank you. So I think I have correctly edited it. Now you say preview, right? So you can save it here, right? So you say save, so it will be saved, the editing. So it will take a little bit of time, so there is no need to wait for that. You can actually go to the previous window. So this way all of your videos will be listed here with all dates and all, and there is an analytics part of it. You can look at how many views are actually getting to this video. If it is a public video, maybe you can turn the comments on. If the comments are on, then people will be giving you comments on the video. So that's up to you whether you want comments or not, but it's a good idea to give a provision to your students to comment on it, so that we can recycle the same video, make it a better version, and then publish it, right? So this is all about how to upload your video in a YouTube channel, and then how to edit it using YouTube Studio option. So I think it's a very easy way of doing things, and it won't need much technical know-how. So I hope you will use this option of having a channel and upload your videos. Okay, so that finishes this video. Thank you.